Hello everyone, my name is Kshitij Jain. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree from VIT Chennai. So, I am recording this video as a part of my IoT project. So, as you can see in the screen, we have used two datasets. We have used two datasets. In first dataset, we have used movie rating. So, in this dataset, as you can see, there are four columns. Mainly, we will use only three columns. That timestamp column is just unnecessary and we will remove it in further. So you can see in the user id, particular user id is given to a particular customer. Then for a particular movie id, particular movie name has been assigned. This is the rating given by the user. So we can assume that suppose there is a person x, his user id is 1. Then there is a second person y whose user id is 2, and total number of movies the x has watched is 2, as you can see, and the movie that he had watched are given as the movie id. For that movie he had rated those movie, as you can see in the third column. Now we will go to the second data set. As you can see in this data set, particular movie id has been given. For that, corresponding movie name is given. For example, suppose there is a movie ID 8. For that movie name, Edison and kinetoscopic movie name has been given. Similarly, for different movie ID, different name has been given. You can see there are total 16,614 movie IDs are there. As you can see, there is a edit metadata node. We have used edit metadata node. The purpose of this is to use integer data type for the ratings. As you can see here, we have used integer data type for the rating. uh, Earlier rating was given here, we have dragged it to here. Then to link both of these data type, we have used the join data node. This will create a link between these two data sets. Select column. This node will be used since we do not need all columns in the output. We will be using only user id, movie name and rating columns only. So for that purpose we have used this node. As you can see here, we have used we will be using the column user id, movie name and rating. So there are times when people watch same movie again and again. So we do not want those data to appear again and again. So we will be using this node, which is remove duplicate rows, which will remove the data of same movie name. Then we will be using split data node which will make sure that data are not overfitted. The splitting mode we will be using is recommender split. Then the train matchbox recommender we will use to train the data. So as you can see, the number of as we increase the number of trades, our accuracy of the model will increase. So we will be using 20 number of trades, and number of recommendation we will be using are 4. This is a score matchbox recommendation node, which we will connect it with the test data and train data. As you can see, this is connected to the train data and this is connected to the test data. So here we will select maximum 5 number of recommendation and minimum 2 number of recommendation. Item recommendation we will select here, and from here we will select the whatever the user has rated the item, only those item will be recommended. Then this is a evaluate recommender node, which will give us the accuracy in the form of NDCG value. Whatever the NDCG value will be, that will be the accuracy of the model. So now I will give you the output one by one. So as you can see here, for the user ID 3962, total 2 movies are recommended on the basis of his earlier choices. Earlier whatever he had rated, for that 2 movies are selected, are recommended. Similarly, you can see for 21178 user ID, 5 movies, 3 movies are recommended. Similarly, for 215 4 double 4 double for double 4, 5 movies are recommended. So you will ask now why these 2 movies are only recommended here. It is because there we have chosen minimum number of 2 recommendation and maximum number of 5 recommendation. So total 326 movies are given here with 5 recommendation each. Now we will see what is the accuracy of this model. As you can see here, the our accuracy of this model is 92%, somewhere around 92%, which is good. So by this I would end my video now. Thank you.